everyone, my name is teacher Ilona Smith. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a quiz on socio-economic issues, so have fun and let's hop on. In today's video, we're going to look through 10 questions that you can expect for socioeconomic issues in your paper. It's a nice prep video. It's nice to go through before the exams. And yeah, let me know how well you guys do. I want to know your scores down below. And I'm really excited for you guys to check this video out. So enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the video today. I really do appreciate the support. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what video you're looking for next as a quiz. It's been so much fun to create these quizzes. I love it so much. And yeah, all the very best for paper 2 that's coming up, grade 10s. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.